There's my Lye tank. I just took a this 1681 Wagner's pan. I've got one identical to it. That's my favorite pan. This particular pan in my hand is one my parents gave me when I asked for a cast iron pan for Christmas, and then I ended up giving it to my brother-in-law because I wasn't into cast iron at the time, and he sadly passed away, and so I get the pan back, which is nice for me to have the pan back, not under those circumstances though, obviously. Yeah, and the point of this video, I can't remember if I had another pan in there, like a smaller one or whatever, so if you're wondering, the best way to fish through your Lye tank is to just do a search pattern like this, so I don't get my arm dirty. I used to stick my hand in there, but that's nasty, and I can tell that there's nothing in there. So there's no other. Now that's going in the basement. It was out in the backyard, but it's going in the basement now, my Lye tank.